Hello friends. If you sleep and see how a fast train takes you towards exotic countries and unknown distances, get ready for adventure. Our quiz starts right now. First question. Capital of Andorra? Correct answer. Good question. Second question. Country with the highest number of police officers per person in the world? Correct answer. Put like. Third question. Capital of Monaco? Correct answer. Keep playing. Fourth question. The only state in the world that does not have an official capital? Correct answer. Put like. Fifth question. Capital of Liechtenstein? Correct answer. Put your answers in the comments. Sixth question. Researchers say that in 30 to 50 years this island nation can be completely flooded by Pacific waters? Correct answer. Super, continue. Seventh question. Capital of Luxembourg? Correct answer. And you all know. Eighth question. The state that got into the Guinness Book as the flattest state? Correct answer. Brilliant result. Ninth question. Capital of The Hague? Correct answer. It was easy. Ninth question. The capital of this state is considered the smallest in the world? Correct answer. We continue the quiz. 11th question. Which country has the highest population density in the world? Correct answer. Put like.
Back to the sound, back to the sound.
12th question. Is San Marino the capital of the state? Correct answer. It was too easy. 13th question. The oldest state in Europe, founded in 301 year? Correct answer. 14th question. Capital of Gibraltar? Correct answer. Great, congratulations. 15th question. Which country is the smallest in area? Correct answer. Sixteenth question. Capital of Macedonia?
Back to the sound, back to the sound.
Correct answer. I know everything. 17th question. Bratislava is the capital of which country? Correct answer. 18th question. Capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina? Correct answer. Congratulations, friend, you answered all the questions. We hope you learned a lot in our travel quiz. Subscribe to the channel and be the first to travel around the world with our quiz. You won't get bored with us.